I'm preparing to make cornbread dressing, and I have some turkey parts, the necks, and the drumsticks, and I'm going to put them in the pressure cooker, season them real good, put in some bell pepper and celery and onion and some dry seasoning and make my stock, and I'll come back and show you what we have going. I'm preparing to do some turkey and dressing today, and I've already cooked my turkey parts, and I cooked them in the pressure cooker right here. And I have my stock here. This is my stock that came from the turkey parts. So as I continue on with this process, I will bring you back in. I'm getting my batter ready for my cornbread. This is 3 cups of self-rising cornmeal, a 1/4 cup of flour, and 1 egg, and I have 1 stick of pure unsalted butter. This is the skillet that I have ready to pour this in and put it in the oven, and I have my oven set at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Be right back. This is the batter, all ready for the oven. This is my cornbread, and I don't think I told you that I added 1 cup of buttermilk to the batter, and I just added 2 as I needed it until I reached the consistency that I wanted. So I eyeball a lot of stuff, so it's no real recipe that I use, but this is the cornbread. This is the stock that came from my meat. I picked the meat off the bone, and I am going to get ready to do my dressing. I have to saute some bell peppers, green onions, and some celery, and then I'll be ready to put this together. And I have some other cornbread that I made the other day that I'm going to incorporate with the new cornbread that I have from today. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, my dressing is all mixed up and ready to go in the oven. And the ingredients that I put in it, sage, Chef Paul Prudhomme's chicken seasoning, a little bit of thyme, onion powder, garlic powder, Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning, a little pepper, a little salt, and season to taste. And it is going in the oven, and I have my oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna let it stay in about maybe 40-45 minutes or until it's done, and I'll bring you back and show you once I get it from the oven. This is the finished product of the dressing, and I will plate some and tell you what it tastes like. Hey guys, here's the dressing. I've plated, and I meant to tell you all that the chopped up turkey that I cooked, I put it in my dressing. It is so flavorful. It's very, very good. I've used the different seasonings that I told you about, but you can season your dressing the way you would like, but it is so, so good. Thanks all of you for subscribing, following, sharing, giving me the thumbs up, tapping that notification bell to let you know when I upload videos. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for your support and all of your comments. I welcome your comments. If you have questions, please ask. Let me know, and I'll try and answer. And until I come back with another video, be blessed and be careful out there, and have a great, great evening. Goodbye.